Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you what I won in a giveaway. I won this giveaway from Tattooed Mama. I will be leaving her channel in the description box if you guys want to go check her out. So she was giving out the My PMS Kids Survival Kit. So she was partnered with this company to give away these boxes. And I just got it, so I'm really excited to see what's in here. So let's open it up. So I'm pretty sure I don't have to explain what this box is about. So this is what the box looks like inside. So I'm really excited. It's really pretty. It says, "Hello, gorgeous." So this box is pretty much for like, obviously when you're in your period. So they send you stuff like to comfort you when you're like not comfortable, obviously, when you're in your period and all that stuff. So it comes with a card and it says, "Be you, do you, for you." And in the back it says,
"Women have twice as many pain receptors on their bodies than men, but a much higher pain tolerance."
So this is what it looks like. So when I won this, I had to go into the My PMS Kids website and they asked you how many like pads or tampons you use.
Sorry, there's cars passing by and there's a stupid fly and
So anyways, on the website it asked you how many pads or tampons you want to use and all of that stuff. So that's what they send. They send pads. I've never tried this brand before. So they send regular size pads and smaller size pads. I'm not gonna open it because I'm sure everyone knows what a pad looks like. So they send out 5 mini pads. I think they're called panty liners. I don't know.
I feel awkward talking about pads. I don't know. When I need to buy some, I usually have my boyfriend get them for me because I'm embarrassed.
And then this is really nice. They also send extra stuff. And they also send me other products. So they send me this Dahlia Organics Natural Skin Therapy Body Tonic Oil Uplift Remedy Blend. Dry sensitive skin types. So I've never used anything like this, so I'm really excited to try it out.
So it says to apply to your hands and warm the oil up and massage onto your whole body and uplift your senses with lavender, bergamot, and sweet orange. I don't know if I'm pronouncing bergamot. I know in Spanish is bergamota, but I don't know how to pronounce it in English.
So this is really nice. So I'm really excited to try this out. And the next thing they sent me is from the Balm Gals Restore and Relax Luxurious Body Butter. This is what the packaging looks like.
It says it's made with love, shea butter, coconut oil, mango butter, jojoba oil, avocado oil, kupuasu butter, natural fragrance oil.
Let's open it up. It smells like watermelon. It's just the white lotion. The body butter. It smells really good. It smells fresh. It smells like watermelon. I don't know. It doesn't have watermelon though. I'm really excited to try this. So the next thing I have here is a nail file and it's like really nice. It's like, I don't know, it feels fancy. It feels like a crystal. I don't know, it looks really cool. So I'm really excited to use this since my nails break a lot when I play tetherball. So they sent me a bunch of Easter candy. I'm really excited because I've never celebrated Easter in my whole life, so at least I get to celebrate it this time. And this is cool. They also sent me a little bag, a little makeup bag. This is what it looks like. I thought it was a fanny pack in the beginning, but it's not. It's just a makeup bag. It's just folded.
So this is gonna be really handy.
I love makeup bags and this one's really cute. And it has a nice little zipper here. So yeah, I really like it. So that is all that I won in this giveaway. I really liked everything that they sent me. I think it's really cool how there's a box for when you're in your period, and I also think it's pretty cool how they sent stuff to relax you and make you comfortable. Have you guys tried any of these products out, or have you guys even heard about this company before? I might look into getting another one of these boxes. I think it's pretty cool. So yeah, thank you to Tattooed Mama and My PMS Kids I will be leaving her channel down below, and I will also be leaving the website for this company if you guys want to check them out. So yeah, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.